Hi, my name is Jennifer Sampson, and this is my speech on pollution. Pollution is a global threat that we all have a responsibility to protect the environment for future generations. Today I would like to talk about pollution and the effects it has on the environment. There are many types of pollution. The few types I will go into detail with are air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of air due to smoke or harmful gases. A cause of this is from combustible engine exhaust. A very well-known example of this is from cars driven every single day, which exhaust carbon monoxide. Some other examples are the burning of fossil fuels, fumes from paint or plastic production, and so on. This can cause long-term health effects such as asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, and possibly cancer. Other types of pollution can damage our Earth within its ozone layers. The other types of air pollutions are factory smog, petroleum refineries, pesticides, and radioactive fallout, just to name a few. To help at home, try to stay away from smoking or secondhand smoking, carpool, keep maintenance on your vehicle, and keep away from pesticides and fertilizers. Next, there is water pollution. Water pollution is caused from industrial waste that gets dumped into bodies of water. There are also oil spills from oil tankers and rigs. Water pollution can come from chemicals like insecticides, pesticides, and detergents. Water pollution is very harmful to our health and to living things in different bodies of water. Ocean life is getting affected by water pollution and is causing animals to become extinct or endangered. According to the World Wildlife Fund, states that the average sea surface temperature has increased over the past 50 years as a result of human activity such as burning of fossil fuels and other pollutions. Climate changes due to pollution is threatening coral reefs around the world. Coral reefs are the most diverse ecosystem and are projected to disappear by 2050. Finally, I will talk about soil pollution. This kind of pollution is most commonly happens when chemicals and industrial activity and also chemicals from agriculture and with improper dumping of waste. The negative effects from soil pollution is that chemicals can get into our water sources. Health concerns from polluted soil can be harmful if humans or livestock digest foods grown in contaminated soil. What we can do to prevent water and soil pollution is to make sure we properly dump waste and harmful chemicals. We should also reduce the amount of chemicals we use around the house. The United States Environmental Agency shows information on laws and regulations that help reduce pollution. Laws written by Congress provide authority to the EPA to write regulations and laws to protect pollution in the air and the water, and in our waters. The two laws that protect both are the Clean Air Act and the Clean Water Act. The EPA also holds them accountable for environmental violations. Even with all these laws and regulations in place, there is still more action that should be done to further protect our environment. For many of us, we are just unaware of our habits and the negative effects that it can have to our health and our environment. I believe understanding the effects that could have on our own health as well will make us aware of our choices. Here are a few list of conditions caused by environmental pollution. Cancer, asthma, autism, autoimmune diseases, infertility, and birth defects are just some of the health risks. With all of these health issues on the rise, you cannot help but wonder what we can do to make positive changes. In other countries like Germany and Japan, recycling is a big part of life. In some cities, your trash will not be picked up if trash is not sorted properly. You can even get charged with trash fees. In other countries, they recycle a majority of trash, unlike we do here in America. According to an article written by Jana Kasperkiewicz, he talks about how much trash we produce in America each year. Americans can produce 250 tons of trash each year, but through recycling and waste incineration, we can bypass 90% of waste from landfills. You might wonder what more you can do at home. We can reduce our carbon footprint by living a greener lifestyle, making the choice not to be wasteful and to be mindful of products that we use in our daily in our homes. On the website greenamerica.org, there are many tips and ideas to live greener. It's all about taking action towards our goal of protecting our planet for future generations to come. Thank you.